What is under the hood of the 4th generation Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid? Let's take a look. So, of course, we start by opening the hood, which works in the standard way. We need to pull the lever to open the car's hood. Now we can go to the front and open the hood. Of course, there's also an additional safety latch here, which is located somewhere around the height of this little diamond, so we need to move it in this direction. We have this kind of hood at our disposal. It has some weight to it. Unfortunately, there are no struts here to help us use it easily. We have to use the standard prop rod. Before we move on to the engine itself, at the top we have the nameplate where we can read the model, we can read the engine number, the color and other details. Now, when it comes to the engine itself, there are two most important things here. On the left side, the left and central side, we have the combustion engine. You can also see the air filter housing, a large plastic box inside, as well as the intake pipes that supply air to the gasoline engine. On the right side, with the inscription plug-in hybrid. This is a component of the hybrid system, meaning it's a large plastic cover with the Mitsubishi logo, which you can see now. Underneath it, right next to it, you can see the characteristic thick orange cables. There are high voltage components there, such as inverters and the electric motor. Let's move over to the left side. Here we have the coolant, and just below it, the windshield washer fluid. This is basically the entire cooling and air conditioning system. On the right side, we have the brake fluid here, and here we have the fuse box and also access to our battery, which we can easily open. So that's all when it comes to what's inside this engine. Thank you and goodbye.